Arvin Jan B. Dumpit. I'm Owayo Rafael, si Antoine. I'm John Aaron L. Santiago. I'm Johnny Lem Nicomedes. I am Alisa Maria Marcelino. And I'm Francesca Isabel T. And I'm Precious Anderson. And we will discuss to you what is the meaning of flash flood. Don't stop, please. Proper disposal of garbage. The trash is blocking the drainage, so when the heavy rainfall comes, it will cause flash floods. The trash is blocking the drainage, so when the heavy rainfall comes, it will cause flash floods. How to prevent flash flood? We should plant more trees. We should dispose our garbage properly and orderly. Clean the trash in the drainage at least every week.
Ito maingay ito.
What things do you need during the flash flood?
Go.
Prepare the things you need to use. Listen to the news on the radio or listen.
Go.
Listen to the news on radio.
Go.
Listen to the news on radio or watch on the television. We should have.
Go.
We should have a flashlight.